Sometimes a design needs a small number sitting just above your text, like in chemical formulas, footnotes, or even math equations. That's called a superscript. And for a long time, Canva didn't make that easy to do. Designers have to resize and move tiny numbers manually, which took extra time. Now, there's a finally built-in way to superscript in Canva. And it works perfectly for both text and numbers. Let's go through it step by step. Start by opening Canva design with some text on it. Click inside the box where you want to superscript to appear. For example, if the word says M2, double-click the number 2 so it's highlighted. Now, look toward the toolbar. You will see the regular font and alignment tools you already know, but a little further to the right, there is a new button. That's Canva's advanced formatting icon. Click it and a small drop-down will appear. Inside that menu, you will see several extra options, and one of them says Superscript. When you select it, Canva instantly moves your highlighted text slightly higher and makes it smaller. That's the superscript effect. If you are using a keyboard, there is also a shortcut. On Mac, press Command plus period. On Windows, press Ctrl plus period. It does the same thing in just one step. This tool is helpful because it keeps your text spacing consistent. When people tried manual workarounds before, they often ended up with misaligned text or strange line heights. Canva's built-in superscript keeps everything neat. The superscripted text can still be edited like normal. You can change its color, bold it, or even adjust the size. Just remember, if you increase the size of the whole text box, Canva scales everything together, including the superscript. So if you need a slightly bigger number, select only that character and increase it separately. One more detail. The feature works on letters too. So if you are typing something like XN in a formula or footnote, it works the same way. Highlight the letter, open the advanced formatting panel and hit superscript. Now, superscripting in Canva doesn't need any hacks or extra layers. It's built in right into the editor and saves time while keeping designs clean. Try it out on any text, product labels, research slides, or school projects. The superscript tool gives that polished, professional finish that used to take a lot more effort. Once you use it a few times, the shortcut becomes second nature. Command or Ctrl plus period. That's all it takes. So, the next time a design needs small, raised text, you already know how to do it properly. Canva keeps adding tools like this to make professional typography easier for everyone. Superscript is just one more step toward cleaner, smarter design.